Okay, this is the Sora app. So when Arthur comes in here, he can go to Collections, and then he'll find this one that says Read-Alongs. Click on that, and then he can choose a book. Some are in other languages, but there are a lot in English. So if he wants to borrow it, he can, or he can read a sample. And if he presses play, it will read to him and he will follow along.
Survive. Forest Fortitude. Published by Magic Wagon, a division of Abdo. Table of Contents. True Tales of Survival, page 4. Forest Fortitude, page 6. Woodland Survival Guide, page 28.
So when he's done with the book, he can close it and he can find another book, and this will help him with his reading.